Hey traders, it's Roberto. This is a tutorial on the Moon Forex code. Been getting a lot of emails, a lot of traders frustrated, not making any money on this indicator. And I'm just going to show you what I do to generate profits because it's a very simple strategy, but if you do not know how to use these indicators, you're just going to get frustrated and you're just going to move on to another indicator. So let me get started. Here it is. This is a pound Australian dollar. What I need is 3 time frames. And because I like to stay in trades at least 2 or 3 hours at a time, I'm looking at a 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily chart. So if we look at a daily chart, notice there were two sell bars. So 2 days, pound Australian dollar was in a downtrend, generated a sell signal. And on the 4 hour chart, started over here. Sorry, I lost my place. So there it is. So we had two trades that were taken in the direction of the trend. So we had a sell signal. Everything was red, all the bars on the 4 hour chart, and on the 1 hour chart, here it is. This is what I was looking for. I disregard the buy signals because the daily and the 4 hour chart are pointing down and all the bars are red. So on the 1 hour chart, I just wait for a sell signal to generate and I take that trade. Okay, if you're not at your computer at the time that signal is generated, it doesn't matter. Still take the trade. I didn't take this trade till about 3 hours after a signal was generated because I was asleep at the time. So I took this trade. It generated 62 pips. Okay, and then it generated another sell signal. So I exited this trade and then I took another trade and then exited on Friday for 139 pips. Let's look at some other. Here's another trade, Australian dollar. 3 days in a row, three blue bars. So that's last week. That Australian dollar was in an uptrend. So again, I disregard the sell signals on the 1 hour chart, and I'm only looking for buying opportunities. So the sell signal here, I disregarded. I took the buy signal here, and most recently, I'm still in this trade, and I took the buy signal on Friday. Okay, and all these sell signals I just disregard because look what happened here. Here is a good trade here on the it's at the 22nd. It generated, at least 31 if you would have stayed in that trade, 71 pips. Again, just taking trades in the direction of the 4 hour and daily chart. This should end the confusion. Do not take every single alert because many of those are just going to be short-lived, or you're not going to make any money on them because you're going against the ebb and flow of the market. Another one that I took on pound Canadian dollar. Daily chart, 4 days in a row. Notice 4 red bars, 4 hour chart. With the exception of a small retracement, it was mostly red bars. So trades taken on the 1 hour chart, remember, disregard those buy signals on the 1 hour chart because that's just a retracement. They're going to be short-lived. So notice on the 1 hour chart from the 24th or even before then, all the way back from the 22nd, we were clearly in a downtrend. Okay, trade signal here is generated 58 pips. Another sell signal here. Disregard the buy signal. Do not get confused. Do not get hooked into a buy signal when the overall direction is to the downside. And there's a sell signal here. There's a buy signal here. Don't take those trades. Why? Because the daily and the 4 hour chart, the bars are red. So just favor those sell signals. 91 pips to the downside. So there you have it. There's Moon Forex code indicator. Excellent indicator. You just have to know how to trade it properly. If you have any questions, just email me. That's it. Have a good week trading. I'll catch you guys in the next video.